VR is not new. Certainly the graphics processing capabilities have come a long way, which has now allowed us to be able to generate these synthetic forests, trying to replicate as closely as possible to our real forests. For training purposes, it's the next best thing to being out in the forest is being able to be in virtual reality in the forest.
What is the opportunity for virtual reality in thinning? And thinning training comes to mind. Virtual reality has improved to the point that we're seeing quite realistic shots of forests.
So our scripts that we use to generate our synthetic trees and forests contain a multitude of variables. There's about 79 variables. You can get down to how many whorls, what branch angle. You're able to dial up and customize a scene. For example, here's a deformed pine tree here that's got a nice sweep on it. We've got ones that have broken tops. And so you can customize and say what percentage of your scene includes these deformities.
Virtual reality's been applied to thinning in the thinning workstream program of the Precision Silviculture program, and that's quite appropriate because thinning is the time when a large amount of value can either be lost or created. Those decisions are tens of thousands of dollars, and companies are investing a lot of money into thinning training. This tool we see as an opportunity for the industry to support people that work in the forest to make good value decisions.
These are all our trees that have been marked for thinning due to having some sort of form issues or deformities. We've got double leaders, we've got broken tops and all sorts. We can merge that with some actual good formed trees. What we're aiming to do is have just as realistic scenario training for thinning as we can.
Virtual reality has a lot of potential as a tool in forestry. Firstly though, we have to say that it is supplementary to our real training in the forest. The objective of this is to have a training tool that eventually adds to the toolkit of foresters so that we create safer people working in the forests and we have good value decisions being made in the forest.